come on, it's gotta be around here somewhere.
I don't want to see the giant.
Why not?
No, I thought it was pig.
No, come on, what is it? It's not pig.
The most dangerous, meanest man in captivity. That's why we keep him caged. So everybody come in. It's like the wildest dream of all. Or maybe a nightmare.
No, come on, let's go in.
There are no such things as giants.
You always talk
What is it?
open minds about things. It only costs you $1 to go in.
What is that? Oh, I guess we don't want the cat. Come on. There it is. Oh, who's that? Who's that growling at you? Who's that growling at you?
Hurry up.
Make the more noise.
Hurry up. You can get there. Hey, nice paws.
No, it's cold. Oh, my hand's cold.
Come on, hurry up. Don't you stop now. Come on.
Yeah. Hi. It's me back here. It's me back here. What are you going to do when you get here? She must see the cat behind me. Yep.
Yep, don't forget. Move back up.
What is that? What just went by? Oh, what is that?
There comes the cat. Going around the bend.
What is that? Oh, she's getting mad now. I've had enough of this floor stuff. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna turn this off. You have to edit all this out.
What?
Waiting for her to go for the cat. She never went.
Hi.
Oh.
One hand. Well, now what do you do?
Oh, jeez. What are you doing? All right.